Imagine where we'd be without language, unable to effectively communicate. Well, money has its own language, and everyone needs to speak it, because failing to communicate here can cost you. When it comes to everything from buying a house, a car, or even doing simple borrowing or saving at a bank, there are words you need to know. For example, do you know the difference between an APR, which stands for annual percentage rate, and just an interest rate? If you're about to take out a mortgage, you better. You know what the interest rate is, that's a cost you pay to borrow. But when it comes to mortgages, the APR includes other charges, like points and fees. That's why the APR is always higher than the rate, and why you should always shop APRs rather than rates, since they take more cost into account. Ready for more initials? ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. It's just a mutual fund that trades on a stock exchange like any other stock. And you know what a mutual fund is, right? It's just a tiny slice of a basket of stocks. So instead of owning just one stock, you can put money in a whole bunch, which leads us to our next term, diversification. Diversification means putting your eggs in different baskets. It's key to minimizing risk. Another important mutual fund term, expense ratio. That's how much you're paying a mutual fund to manage your money, expressed as a percent. If you've got a mutual fund in your 401k, do you know what you're paying? Your credit score is a single number used by lenders to quickly evaluate you as a borrower. Many confuse them with credit reports, which are the details of your credit history. You can get a free copy of your credit history at annualcreditreport.com, but you'll pay to see the most used credit score, which is the FICO score. And one final term, net worth. Take everything you owe from everything you own, and what's left over is your net worth. Well, there you go. There's some money lingo you should know, but there's a lot more. Go to moneytalksnews.com and just do a search for Money Lingo. For Money Talks News, I'm Stacy Johnson. Want a higher rate on your savings or a lower rate on your loans? Get the free Money Talks newsletter. It only takes 7 seconds to sign up, and it's full of deals and news you'll really use. Do it now at moneytalksnews.com.